Health benefits of walking include good physical and mental health, protection from heart ailments, diabetes, and other types of chronic conditions. Further studies show that walking increases bone mineral density and prevents the condition of osteoporosis. Physical activity helps in ensuring healthy being. A walk is a wonderful form of exercise and physical activity for the body. This workout doesn't cost you anything, and it can fit into everyone's lifestyle. However busy you may be, a brisk walk around your place of work or at home can prove to be a highly beneficial exercise. The health benefits of walking include an overall improvement of your health and a reduction in excessive body weight. According to the US Dept of Health, it has helped to reduce the mortality rate amongst various age groups. Health benefits of walking. Walking is a mandatory exercise for human beings. The more you walk, the better it is for your well-being. Some of the various health benefits are as follows. Weight control. A short brisk-paced walk is all that you need to reduce your excess calories and fats. Walking aids in balancing the excess calories gained through eating. A 1-mile walk can burn up almost 100 calories of energy. Therefore, walking at least 3 to 4 kilometers in a day, 3 times a week, can make you slimmer by a whole pound. According to an article published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, walking not only aids in increasing weight loss, but also helps maintain optimal weight and health. Fitness. Daily walking can keep you fit and healthy for a long time. It aids the normal functioning of cardiorespiratory organs and considerably increases your body's power. Regular brisk walking for 30 minutes a day can help you stay slim and in robust health. It is the ultimate option, but it should not overexert you. You can build up to faster paces as you become used to the consistent exercise. Walking is also beneficial in improving the physical health of older adults. In a 2019 research study, 123 older adults, aged 60 years and older, underwent a 12-week pole walking program. The results of the study showed an improvement in the strength of the upper and lower limb and physical capabilities of older adults. Mental health. We all know that walking does wonders for the physical body. What about mental well-being? It is also beneficial for your mental attitude as well. It elevates your mood, reduces depression, and lowers stress levels, in addition to improving your confidence and self-esteem. According to a 2019 study, walking in a forest helps in providing physical and mental relaxation in young women. Group walks or with friends helps you maintain good social contacts. A walk through good, lush greenery would definitely lift your spirits and keep you fresh all day long. Heart health. Medical research and studies indicate that walking lowers high blood pressure and high cholesterol, thereby reducing the risk of strokes and other heart-related problems. According to Medline Plus, moderate walking is amongst the exercises that help strengthen your heart. Postmenopausal health. A 2002 study suggests that walking may help reduce the risk of developing cardiovascular ailments in postmenopausal women. Overall health. Walking may help prevent further progression of diabetic foot ulcers, as observed in a 2006 study published in Diabetologia. It is best for mental fitness and assists in inflexible weight control. Walking is good for increasing bone density and preventing chronic osteoporosis. It also restricts other illnesses and boosts the immunity of the human body. A good walk makes you sweat and releases toxic waste from the body, making your skin glow with health and vitality and clearing out your system of unhealthy components. It also helps protect against various chronic diseases such as cancer. According to a study conducted by the American Cancer Society, those women who walked for more than 7 hours per week had a lower risk of developing breast cancer than those who walked for 3 hours or less per week. Note: just make sure to do warm-up and stretching exercises before starting to walk, as that helps improve flexibility.